Wakandacon 2018.
This has exceeded any and all expectations that we had.
Founded and produced by the Barthwell family, consisting of Sister Ali.
I think the plan from here is a nap. It's a nap and a glass of wine.
Maybe 2 or 3.
Yeah.
And brothers David and Matt, along with producers Lisa Beasley.
No one gave us a con manual.
Probably wouldn't have worked anyway. So.
Right, exactly. So. We probably might have to write one.
There you go. Hey, that's how you do it. And Taylor Whitten.
We are glad to be partners in this. We are right to die, so thank you all.
Wakandacon reveled in the excitement created by the release of the Black Panther movie and helped write another phenomenal chapter in the history of Chicago. Wakandacon presented 3 days of celebrity guests,
You're in it. You look great.
leading industry experts, a gamer's paradise, loads of family-friendly fun, cosplay, and so much more. All right.
And everything here is
Inspired by this wave of Afrofuturism, the Cousins Empowered Optimist Club of Chicago, CEO, a group of educators and community activists from the Morgan Park area of the city, organized a workshop on the mysteries of electricity, taught by Morgan Park High School alum, Professor Anthony Jackson.
Who knows where the first battery was discovered? But it was found inside of a pyramid during the time that Napoleon took his army into Egypt. They talk about Afrofuturism. We've already been there.
Professor Jackson currently serves as a technology consultant and is a lifelong technology innovator and enthusiast with degrees in both physics and computer science from the University of Illinois and Governor State University.
What I want to do today is just introduce some of the mysteries of electricity.
He is currently collaborating with the Cousins Empowered Optimist Club of Chicago to provide a 12-week youth coding skill development workshop inspired by fellow Morgan Park High alum Dr. Mae Jemison, the first black female astronaut. Professor Jackson and the CEO team will teach youth how to build their own computers. Using the computers they have built themselves, Professor Jackson will teach participating youth the language of coding. Learning these skills will prepare participating youth for great future opportunities. We need your support and participation in this movement to bring coding skills to American youth in Morgan Park and the surrounding area. To find out how you can help, contact the Cousins Empowered Optimist Club of Chicago at 312-479-7702 or visit cousinscoding.com.
Don't you understand?
Just as the character of Lieutenant Uhura of the Starship Enterprise inspired Dr. Mae Jemison to explore space in the real world, let T'Challa and Shuri inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers to come back to the hood and bring the spirit of Wakanda to those who need it most.
Came out of nowhere, did y'all see that? What? I wouldn't do that if I were you guys. Where you come from? From Wakanda.
Wakanda forever.